up, gamers? Welcome back to the Chud finding village. We're gonna find all 50 chuds today in Soyverse. Follow along. There's 3 on this overworld. Come follow along. 1 on this first wall. We're gonna beeline it straight to the next one that's right behind the house. Okay, enough of that. I'll just go through everything fine. Get this guy. Right over this hill is another guy. Straight to the Soy village of Mushroom. There's 2 guys in here, one behind the right here. And then that guy. Go back to the exit. We're gonna go inside the house. There's a few paintings, one here, one under the car. One behind this guy. One behind this furry painting. One right here on the ground. One in this guy's head. Remind myself which ones I'm missing. One on the bird, one on the crocodile, Mr. Beast, that one, this room, Museum of Soy, one was on the right side of the staircase, and then we got 2 behind the museum. And then we're gonna go inside the museum now. You got one behind Freddy Fazbear. I don't think there's any more on that one. There's one on this guy. And then we got one on the Doomer. Pretty sure there's nobody else. You might have to raise your avatar height to get this one if you're short. Just have to jump for it. I don't think there's any more here. I'll call it good. This one you gotta sign the petition, you get one on top. This one's behind. What the hell? Warp alarm. Got one in the back of this room. If you've already got the petition and the clock one, your game might be bugged and show it, but you can't get it. There's this one in this room. Song's by Juiced, by the way. There's 3 in this room. One behind this guy. There's 2 in this room. One here. Other one's right behind this hay bale. Come on. Okay. There. Back downstairs. There's one right here. There's gonna be one under the stairs. Let me get back behind here. Spider web guy. And the box guy.
Crazy weirdo, and I'm calling you.
Calling you guy. Two in this room, one on the ceiling, one on the ground. This room, there's 4 or 5. There's this rock, and I think this rock. No, this one. There's one in the water right here. Let me reduce my height really quick. Alright, got that guy. Straight to this rock. And then we're gonna beeline it straight over here. There's one under the bridge. Tiny little guy. That guy. I don't think there's any other ones in here. We go to SpongeBob Land. There's one on the ground in front of the fish. There's one on the rock right here as well. There's one in the sky flower. There's one on this rock over here, I think. Yep, and then in Patrick's house, there is this one. And there's one in a painting. Which one was it? This one.
Congratulations.
And then you're done.
You have found all of the chuds I